as I've come to take the top casing off, we can pretty much say now, obviously it's not going to run like this, is it? With all this fuel going down in this engine, it has just knackered the seals. They've swelled up, something shocking. Look at that. One horrendously loose crank. Wow. This is what happens when all the petrol goes through the main bearings. Just makes everything go loose. There won't be, you could re-grease them all up, but it's probably best just to fit all new. Horrible. You can see where it's been grabbing the drive, crank drive, as it's been going around the engine, and obviously it's butted right up against the flywheel. Gearbox looking all good. Well, at least we've got to the bottom of it.